Hello everyone, welcome to Around the World. Today's video is the Low Countries, so let's begin. Belgium and Holland are two of the smallest countries, and they are also the two most crowded countries in Europe. They are called the Low Countries because so much of their land is low-lying. The only highland is the beautiful wooded region of the Ardennes in southern Belgium. Although Belgium is small, it is a country of two peoples and two languages. The Flemish, whose language is similar to the Dutch, live mostly in the north, and the Walloons, who speak French, live mostly in the south. They live both by agriculture and by industry. The farmers grow crops of wheat, sugar beet and flax. In the district around Mons and Charleroi, the miners produce most of the country's coal, which the textile workers in Ghent and elsewhere use for manufacture of cotton, woolen and linen goods. Brussels, the capital, is an important railway, while Antwerp, at the mouth of the Scheldt, is one of the great seaports of the world. Rotterdam in Holland is another great seaport. Like Antwerp, it serves not only its own people and their industries, but also of densely populated Western Germany. Amsterdam is a large city but a less important seaport. Ocean-going ships reach its harbour by the North Sea Canal, passing through the huge locks at Imoden. Holland is a land of canals and windmills. A great deal of the land is below sea level, and much of it the Dutch have reclaimed from the sea. They have to drain their flat fields by pumping surplus water into the canals. They have now built a dam across the entrance to Zuiderzee, and they are changing the former seabed one section after another into fertile agricultural land. On the rich pastures which the Dutch have created, their farmers keep herds of well-fed dairy cattle. From the milk, they make cheese and butter. The people who live around the towns of Haarlem and Leiden are world famous for their bulb growing. When the tulips are in bloom, making splashes of every colour one can imagine, their fields are a truly wonderful sight to see. And that is the end of the Low Countries video. Leave a like and comment on my video of what you thought. Please subscribe to the channel to find new videos of other geography country places. See you soon.